Welcome back to our channel. Let's be real, we've all dreamt of having a flat stomach. It's a common desire that transcends age, gender, and background. Whether you're a teenager looking to fit into that prom dress, a new mum wanting to regain her pre-pregnancy body, or someone who's just tired of feeling bloated and uncomfortable, the wish for a flatter tummy is universal. Maybe it's for that summer holiday where you want to rock that swimsuit with confidence. A special event like a wedding or reunion where you want to look your best, or just to feel more confident in our own skin on a daily basis. The reasons are as varied as we are, but the goal remains the same: to feel good about ourselves. Whatever the reason, the good news is that achieving a flatter tummy doesn't require a magic wand or a surgeon's scalpel. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive treatments or starve yourself on extreme diets. The solution lies in making small, manageable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. It's all about making simple, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. This means incorporating more whole foods into your diet, staying hydrated, and finding physical activities that you enjoy. It's not about overhauling your life overnight, but making gradual adjustments that lead to lasting results. Forget those fad diets and crazy workout routines. They might offer quick results, but they're often impossible to maintain and can leave you feeling deprived and frustrated. We're going back to basics here. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains, and incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. It's about creating a healthy balance that works for you. Think of it as a lifestyle upgrade rather than a temporary fix. This isn't about quick fixes or short-term solutions. It's about making choices that enhance your overall well-being and help you feel your best every day. We'll explore how to make healthier choices, get your body moving, and most importantly, learn to love the body you're in. This journey is about self-love and self-care, not self-punishment. This isn't about deprivation or punishment. It's about finding joy in taking care of yourself and discovering the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. It's about feeling energized, strong, and confident. When you nourish your body with the right foods and keep it active, you'll notice a boost in your energy levels and overall mood. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. True health and wellness come from within, and when you focus on taking care of your body, the results will follow. So, are you ready to ditch the quick fixes and embrace a healthier, happier you? Let's get started. Together, we'll embark on a journey toward a flatter tummy and a more vibrant, confident you. It's time to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle that you can maintain for the long term. Let's do this. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends that need to hear this. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your wellness journey. You can't outrun a bad diet, that's the honest truth. No matter how much you exercise, if your diet is filled with unhealthy choices, you'll find it incredibly difficult to achieve that flat stomach you desire. It's not just about the calories you burn, but also about the quality of the food you consume. One of the most crucial steps towards a flatter stomach is cleaning up your eating habits. This means making conscious choices about what you put into your body every single day. It's about creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle rather than following a temporary diet. And no, we're not talking about starving yourself or surviving on lettuce leaves. A healthy diet is diverse and delicious. You can enjoy a wide variety of foods that are both nutritious and satisfying. It's about balance and moderation, not deprivation. Start by cutting back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. These items are often loaded with empty calories, added sugars, and unhealthy fats that contribute to weight gain, especially around your midsection. Instead, opt for natural whole foods that provide real nourishment. These are the culprits that love to hang around your midsection. Processed foods and sugary drinks can lead to inflammation and insulin resistance, which makes it even harder to lose belly fat. By eliminating these from your diet, you're taking a significant step towards a healthier, flatter stomach. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and fuel your workouts. Think lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support your overall health and help you maintain a healthy weight. These foods will keep you feeling fuller for longer, provide sustained energy, and help you avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks. When you eat a balanced diet, you're more likely to feel satisfied and energized throughout the day, which can help you stay on track with your fitness goals and help you shed that stubborn belly fat. Combined with regular exercise, a healthy diet can lead to significant improvements in your body composition. You'll not only lose weight, but also build muscle, which can help you achieve a toned, flat stomach. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen. The food choices you make every day play a crucial role in your fitness journey. By prioritizing healthy whole foods and avoiding processed junk, you're setting yourself up for success. So start today and fuel your flat stomach with the right nutrition. Your body will thank you. Now, let's talk about exercise. Don't worry, we're not talking about spending hours at the gym. Finding fun and effective ways to move your body is key to torching calories and toning those abdominal muscles. Mix it up with cardio exercises like running, swimming, cycling, or dancing. These will get your heart rate up and help you burn fat all over. Incorporate strength training exercises a few times a week to build muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest, which means you'll be torching fat even when you're not working out. Plus, who doesn't love a bit of muscle definition? Believe it or not, achieving a flat stomach isn't just about diet and exercise. Your lifestyle choices play a significant role too. One of the biggest culprits of belly fat is stress. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, especially around the midsection. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, spending time in nature, or listening to music. Another important factor is sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Lack of sleep disrupts your hormones, increases cravings for sugary and fatty foods, and can lead to weight gain, particularly around the belly. Let's debunk some common myths about belly fat, shall we? It's time to separate fact from fiction and get to the truth about what really works. First, there's no such thing as spot reduction. This means you can't target fat loss in specific areas by working out those areas alone. Doing hundreds of crunches won't magically melt away belly fat. While crunches can strengthen your abdominal muscles, they won't specifically burn the fat covering them. You need to focus on overall fat loss through a combination of diet and exercise. Incorporate a variety of workouts, including cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises to achieve a balanced fitness routine. Second, starving yourself is not the answer. Extreme calorie restriction can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health issues. Depriving your body of essential nutrients will only backfire, leading to muscle loss and a slower metabolism. It's important to fuel your body with a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients. Remember, a healthy calorie deficit is key, not starvation. Aim for a moderate calorie deficit that allows for gradual, sustainable weight loss. And lastly, don't fall for those miracle products that promise instant results. These products often make bold claims but rarely deliver on their promises. There's no magic pill or potion that will give you a flat stomach overnight. Quick fixes are often too good to be true and can even be harmful to your health. Sustainable results come from consistent effort and healthy habits. Focus on making long-term lifestyle changes that you can maintain rather than seeking out quick fixes. Surround yourself with a supportive community and engage in activities that you enjoy. This will make it easier to stick to your fitness and nutrition goals. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements. No matter how small, this will keep you motivated and help you stay on track. Don't forget the importance of rest and recovery. Adequate sleep and stress management are crucial components of a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated and make sure to warm up before workouts to prevent injuries. These small habits can make a big difference in your overall fitness journey. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends that need to hear this.